Storymaker 1. Start. There's a planet in this story. What's the planet name? Biblepoop. There's a spaceship in this story. What it like? Gold. What's the planet like? Snow. There's an alien in this story. What it like? Slimy. What color in this alien? Blue. There are some dangerous people or creatures in this story. What are they? Robots. It is the year. We are on our way to visit Biblepoop. Eloped in a faraway galaxy. A gold spaceship flies for a moment. Best planets. Stars and galaxies. Then we arrive. We open the door and look out. Biblepoop is very snow. There is an alien behind a rock. It is slime and blue. Help me. Shoots the slime blue alien. Some robots from another planet have killed everybody but me. Need to escape. Suddenly we see the robots. We all run to the gold spaceship and jump in. We put the slime blue alien into the ship and enjoyably fly away. The robots are below. We fly back to Earth and the slime blue alien teaches us about Biblepoop and the forever galaxy. The end. Storymaker must start. Forward story. This story is about a king and queen. Where do they live? Next. The king and queen have a dog. What's her name? Alexa. Next. What the best prize to get? Money. What's your favorite musical instrument? Drum. There's a boy in this story. What's his job? Farmer. The boy in the story has got a pet. What is it? cat. Next. First. Once upon a time, there was a king and a queen. They lived in a lovely golden castle and had a beautiful daughter, Alexa. But Alexa was very unhappy. She never laughed or smiled. We will give money to the person who can make Alexa happy, said the queen. A mouse came and played the drums. A fire said a magic spell, and a joker sang and told jokes. But Alexa did not smile or laugh. A young farmer came to work at the Queen Castle. He came with his little cat. The little cat liked to play. One day, Alexa saved the cat and started to smile. Then she laughed. The queen heard her talked and saved the cat. The cat was happy to get money. The end. Story makers. Who do you like being with, friends? Where do you like to go? The forest. What are the scary creatures? Bats. What color do you hate? Look. There are some very small creatures in this story. What are they? There's a scary person or character in this story. What is it? I was staying with my friends in an old house in the forest. One night I wanted to go out. Where are you going? Said my friends. To the forest, I said. But it's getting dark and the storm is coming. All the boats come out when there is a storm. Don't go near them. Don't touch them. I went out and saved lots of boats. I wasn't scared. I went near them and touched them. Then I remembered what my friends had said. Too late. My teeth turned black and my skin was covered with flies. I screamed and ran into the forest. In the middle of the forest, I saw a skeleton. Now I live with the skeleton, and when it's dark and stormy, I go into the forest and scare people. Maybe I will come out and scare you.